EduSpan game application is installed in JNV South Goa. Students, especially the class 6, 7, they are finding very much interesting and they are enjoying. I also watch the activities of mathematics and science, and it is really interesting and it gives instant learning outcome of the children. And children also finding very funny when they are learning the components of science and maths, and at the same time when they are applying their knowledge in terms of question like trues and false, and they are going upward in the staircase, they are motivated. So I suggest this application can be installed in other JNV also, so that the children of especially lower class will find easy and interesting in their subject. Thank you.